Hi guys, this is my solo content for today because it's been a while since I do her own content. So this is my makeup look for today. I'm so sorry for my to do. This is my makeup for today. So today I will go to the airport first. PIPG dulu sebab ada beberapa benda mesti diselesaikan. Baru aku hantar dia lah. Hantar dia pergi airport, sampai dia balik. Habis dia pergi airport, let's wait and see where we will go, because sometimes it's not about you need someone to accompany you, but sometimes it's just about you and your own self. So I think we may need her own time to, after all the things that happen. Aku still demam sikit, tapi you know Meme, after thinking for a while, I think today is Meme Day untuk bersedekah. So I think I will do that things first lah. But I don't know where to put this time more. I go put at masjid lah. So stay tuned for Meme today hangout. So guys, I'm actually sampai dekat Imago. I already go to the kids. So this is my phone. It's my bag. I want to eat sushi actually, but since I'm alone, so why not? Like, I always being alone. So it's okay. So sometimes I just want to be crying, but it's okay, guys. See ya. Hey guys, I'm safely arrived at Umago. I want to actually go. Oh, ada mga ticket po. Hindi yung ticket po. Let's go watch and look for plushie. Look for plushie. I want to buy myself a blind box. I want this one. Ito mukha niya. Ano mukha niya? Let me enjoy my time first before I go back home. I think macam mana aku nak tegur dah main. Pusing. Okay guys, I'm done at Imago. I think I want to go back home because my sugar suddenly go. So this is my sushi for today. As always, I already buy myself some things at Miniso, KKs, and Mr. DIY Plus. So I think it's enough because my bank is like crying already. So bye guys.